Hi, second graders. It's day 2 of virtual learning. I hope day 1 went well for you. On day 2, now we get to learn about Benjamin Britten. He wrote a really neat orchestra piece called The Young Person's Guide to the Orchestra. And he was a composer, and he wrote this piece of music to introduce children like you to the instruments of the orchestra. We're going to play a game that introduces it by traveling to a jungle and the safari and trying to get the instruments back that have disappeared into the wilds from the animals. It's very fun. Your goal is to play for a little while and see if you can get out of the house and into the car to travel to the safari. Let's watch the introduction together, and then you can play on your own and I'll show you how to get on.
The instruments are scattered throughout the wilderness. Gone are the sweet sounds of the symphony orchestra. I've spent the last 20 years of my life trying to find a way to bring them all back together. As fate would have it, I stumbled across the remains of the stage. Now all I needed was to gather the instruments. There was only one person I knew who could help me, who was brave enough, fast enough, and clever enough to join me on my quest.
Hello?
Violet, my favorite niece. The adventure is about to begin.
All right, so as you can see, I hope you'll be able to help Violet get the instruments back. You don't have to play the whole game today, only play for about 15 minutes, and that should be enough time for you to review all the instruments and get out of Violet Uncle's library and into the truck so she can go and save the instruments. There are 2 ways that you can play. You can register by pressing the register link, and this will actually save your information. It's okay. You can say you're 13 years or older because I'm helping you, even though you're not. And you can create a user ID with a password. And if you do it this way, you have to make sure that you save your information. If you don't want to do it this way, let's see if I can get out of it. You can just click on local game and it'll start you just normally on your computer. Unfortunately, if you do local game, if you do it on a different computer, it will not save your place where you are in the game. You have to register to do that. But if you don't want to register, you can just click local game. Happy hunting, boys and girls. Happy learning, and have fun and music today.